Welcome to EASTHONY&EASTCHEM product channel. Today, let's talk about how to identify PVA Superfine Powder. PVA Superfine Powder is a kind of building motor additive which improves motor's viscosity, smoothness, and adhesion strength. The quality of raw materials in market now is chaotic, adding various cheap methods to reduce costs, such as starch, sugar, etc. It will greatly reduce product performance and cause unnecessary losses to users. So, how to avoid the pit of defective products? EASTHONY prepare a test for you below. Hope to give you some help. Firstly, we prepare 3 samples of ABC. Take 3 beakers with same amount of water. Secondly, put samples into the beakers and stir with a stirring rod. Sample A is PVA Superfine Powder without additions. It dissolves quickly when meeting water, forming a suspended gel lump on the water surface, and difficult to dissolve inside the lump with water. Sample B added starch. We drop some iodine after stirring. Iodine in PVA without additions. Sample C added sugar. It's more hydrophilic and easier to disperse, no gel lump. This is sample A. You can find a big gel lump in water. This is the end of our test. There are various adding methods in market. Some are difficult to identify with naked eyes, unless depending on professional instruments and analysis methods. With years of experience and practice, EASTHONY can provide products with excellent quality and stable performance. It's hoped EASTHONY can help you solve confusion in future.